With rapidly changing business requirements and technological advances, you need to build a sustainable, dynamic, and efficient operation. With our strong heritage and deep industry expertise, Capgemini addresses the entire breadth of our customers' business needs, from strategy and design to intelligent operations. We've built state-of-the-art enterprise asset management solutions to accelerate our digital transformation journey, improve operational efficiency, and customer service. These solutions, powered by IBM Maximo, provide a unified view of the asset management processes across the organization. With built-in AI and deeper IoT capabilities, they help orchestrate and automate your processes and workflows, and data integration with other enterprise applications. We help create value with the wide range of solutions to give our customers an edge over your competition with simple and scalable one-stop shop solutions. Let's explore some of those solutions. Capgemini, in partnership with IBM, has developed Drone as a Service. Additionally, Drone as a Service has the potential to leverage smart technologies such as IoT, sensors, 5G, edge analytics, and machine learning to improve the monitoring and visualization of assets operations. With our innovative drone-based predictive maintenance solution, we're transforming asset management to the next level. As per Capgemini Research Institute, the manufacturing industry is experiencing fundamental transformations, with rapid developments in technology enabling both the creation of new products and the smartening of legacy products to increase their life cycle and productivity. The critical enabler is digital continuity, which is the ability for everyone working on a given product or design to view the exact same version of data and models. But 60% of manufacturers are still struggling to ensure digital continuity. At Capgemini, we craft digital twin into our digital continuity value creation chain with Argos, augmented reliability for a global operating system. The cutting edge, empowering your digital continuity. This pioneering solution for intelligent industry makes us a global solution provider for digital continuity extending to intelligent asset management, operations, and customer services, and helping connect the dots between PLM and in-service data. For manufacturers, quality is critical. Two of the most pressing issues plaguing manufacturing quality are human error and manual data collection and analysis. Even the most qualified and trained quality inspectors can miss up to 20% of defects, leading to wastage and to downtime. Manual operation to track and implement corrective action is time-consuming and inefficient. Lack of real-time visibility or defects causes delays, leading to loss of revenue and impacting your customer satisfaction. Capgemini's data-driven quality visual inspection solution helps solve quality issues in near real time. Unleash the potential of advanced visual inspection analytics for near real-time quality issue resolution, empowering you with comprehensive global view of quality data. Say goodbye to reactive approaches and embrace proactive strategies to tackle common challenges in inspections and quality improvement. Elevate your manufacturing processes to new heights of efficiency and excellence with Capgemini's state-of-the-art solution. With over 20 years of partnership with IBM in over 20 countries and a dedicated center of excellence, our team of experts specializes in full lifecycle Maximo development and post-deployment support. Our resource center provides 24/7 support and in-house accelerators. With success stories across utilities, mining, railways, aviation, transport, infrastructure, and entertainment industries. Let us help you get complete operational visibility of your assets across the enterprise. Leverage Capgemini's simplified deployment of IBM's Maximo platform to accelerate your business growth, increase productivity, reduce downtime, and get faster ROI. Explore Capgemini's wide range of joint solutions and make smart things happen.